Hi, I'm Emma from Photo Brightener Pro, and I'm going to show you how to use our software to brighten your photos. Just go to bulkphotobrightener.com, click Get Started and type in your email address. You're then able to select all your photos in one go, and once you've selected them you can adjust the brightness. For these pictures I want the white background to disappear, so I'm going to pull down the light cutoff until the background is nice and bright. That looks good. Then I'm going to adjust the midpoint so that the products look how I want. With that done, we just upload the images and wait for them to be processed. This can take a few minutes if you have lots of photos, but once they're uploaded you can just walk away and you'll get an email when they're done. Okay, great. Now I just download the zip file with the results and I've got all my photos brightened in one go. That's basically it. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, please use the contact form on our website or email support@bulkphotobrightener.com. Thanks for watching. bulkphotobrightener.com